counted me out. They thought it was over, they thought I was finished, dog. Whole city jump behind me, now I get more racks than a tennis ball. And you know ain't no looking back. The streets brought the hustle out of me. I was sick of eating pot of meat. Ramen noodles all through the week. The struggle was ugly.
What it do, man? 78 Chevy boy, we out here this morning. Well, it's actually afternoon now. And I'm out here, man. Just tell y'all what we got going on today as of right now. I just finished riding a bike. Got me like 5.6 miles in, 5.7 miles, something like that. And I took a different route today. That's why I only did like that many miles, man, because I'm talking about it was different. I had more hills, I had more curves, but I definitely got a good workout in. So today, I was in the area, well, not far from here. This is over here at the Greenfield Indoor Sports Complex over here on Summer Avenue, and that's where they have a food truck park. There's 4 food trucks out here, man. I actually know 2 of the guys personally that got a food truck over here, man. So I'm gonna end up, well, I already placed my orders. One of the trucks, Taco Garsal, they be at my show. Man. So the last 2 years they were there, you know what I'm saying? Great vendors, and I plan on having them back next year if they would like to come back. But I'm about to take y'all down there. But while I was at the truck all the way on the end, which is Keith with R&B Beef Dogs, man. I didn't know the guy named Brandon. Brandon Play Too Much. He's actually on social media and everything, YouTube, everything, man. He has his own sauces. Hold on one minute, I'm finna show you. I already in the shop with him already, hold on. So yeah, I already in the shop with him, and he was down there, man. He had, you know, I'm looking at, I said, oh, okay, I went around on the side. I didn't know, you know what I'm saying? That was his own business. On the side of it's at the R&B Dog truck, but on the side of the counter, he has his sauces, man. He has his own sauces, man. Y'all know I like to, I like to patronize black businesses and businesses that patronize me or know me some kind of way, man. I do like to patronize them, man. And this is called the Sauce Department. Brandon Play Too Much, man. I'm talking about he sampled it. He went and got some fries, man, and had me to sample it. Hold on, let me take this down. All right. He had me to sample it, man. The Sauce Department. This is the spicy honey mustard. No preservative, crafted with fresh ingredients. Keep cool and shake well. His name is at Brandon, BARNDON, Play PLAY, the number 2 much. Brandon Play Too Much. MUCH. But listen to me, man. Listen to me. This that spicy ranch. Man, I had to go ahead and shop with him, man. Man, this stuff good. This stuff is good, man. And so they up here, I don't know the exact hours. I'm about to take y'all down here because I didn't even have my camera with me when I first went down. But I'm finna show y'all the truck. There's another truck too. I want to try his smoked wings when he start them back up. That's what I actually came over here for smoked wings. But I'm gonna end up getting me some tacos from Taco Garsal. But bays and wings and things, I think it's wings and things, man. I've been hearing about his food too, but I had to taste for his wings, smoked wings. So I'm gonna go and see. No, I already talked to him. So once he start those back up, I'll make my way back out here and try those. But I'm finna show y'all all the trucks though. Give me a second. Let me put this back up. All right. Yes, sir. I ain't flies and I'm out here, man. And shout out to the homie, man. Shout out to the homie that saw me and my wife out riding last weekend. He saw me on the trail. We were actually at one of the crossroads, the cross streets. He was like, what up, 78? He said, man, I thought you be flogged and you really out here riding. I was like, yeah, dog. We out here, man. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to the homie. I don't know your name or nothing, but if you see this video, please drop a comment and make sure you, let it be known that was you, man. That's what's up, getting shown love and stuff, man. I'm just out here trying to put out positive energy, man. That's all I'm trying to do. So right here we coming up on yeah, it's Bays Wings and Things. They the first truck soon as you get up here. They got the nice setup up here. They got plenty on the menu. Plenty on the menu, man. Yes, sir. Make sure y'all check them out if y'all want any of that on the menu. Then you got this next truck right here. It's called Hibachi Soul Plate. They not quite open, but this is their menu. Hibachi Soul Plate. Pause it if you need to so you can see their menu. All right. Then we got the homie over here, Taco Garsal. This is the truck I told y'all. They've been at my show 2 years straight. They've been at the show. And we over here getting us 3 chicken tacos from him, man. You got tap?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. All right. I felt it. Did it go through? Hold on. All right.
Appreciate you, man.
Good?
Yes, sir.
All right. Appreciate you, man. Also, y'all be doing the cups, the fruit cups and stuff too, man? Man, y'all finna take all my money, man. God, dog. Damn, man. Y'all check them out, man. Taco Garsal. You didn't have this set up at the show, did you?
No, I didn't.
Okay.
He just started it.
Okay, cool. Cool, man. They got the popsicles and the fruit cups, man. Hey, y'all come check them out, dog. Over here.
Coming up at this car show, we'll bring it out there.
Okay, cool. Okay, cool. Next car show, he said he will have the fruit. What do we call this?
It's a fruit cup, so you can either choose between the fruit cup or we do the watermelon popsicle. There's like a round cut out of the watermelon. You can wrap it up in your choice of the fruit by the fruit or the fruit roll-up.
Okay.
And then we put the chamoy, the tajin, the miguelito, little sweet and spicy sour, you know?
Cool.
Yeah.
Okay, bit. Y'all see it, man. He said they will have this set up at the next car show, man. So we're gonna move on down one more truck, man. I appreciate y'all,
Yes, sir,
man.
Thank
All
you
right,
for
for sure. Yeah, and this R&B beef dogs. R&B beef dogs, man. Matter of fact, let me show y'all his menu. Forgot to show y'all his menu. I forgot to show him the menu.
Go ahead.
Yeah. So them your meats up there, man. Then he got tacos, molitas, tortas, burritos, quesadilla, loaded fried cheeseburger, bacon cheeseburger, Hawaiian cheeseburger, Cuban cheeseburger, man. You can even come up here and get you a Cuban cheeseburger, man. Yes, sir. Taco Garsal, man. One of the vendors, food vendors for the CNC car show, man. So we up here, R&B dogs. We up here, man. And that's Brandon right here, the man with the sauces, man.
I got some fat sauce.
I'm finna show him them junks, man. I already showed him what I bought already, but I still want to show him your setup, your price list and everything. See, he got the packets and then he got the bottles. These are his prices right here.
I've been having so many people buying stuff, my sign broke.
For real?
I got to I'm about to pick it up, they snap it out. I just see, you know what?
Just pass it to him.
Just pass it to them.
Yeah, man. Y'all see it, man. We up here, man, on Summer Avenue at the Greenfield Indoor Sports Complex. Yeah, Greenfield Indoor Sports Complex, man, on Summer Avenue. Make sure y'all come up here and shop with my people, man. Shop with my people. They getting it in, man. I don't even know if they called my number. I went all the way down there to the car. I don't know if it went out. It would have still been going off.
She might have your room ready. It might be ready.
Okay.
I ain't gonna say it is, but
I'll check with it. All right. Yeah, and this they menu right here, man. And they got great food as well, man. All kind of dogs. But not only the dogs, you can also get sandwiches, man. Philly cheese steaks, Philly cheese chickens, Italian beef, Italian mob, smash burger, catfish sandwiches. You can build your own dog. Hey, man. Hey, you can get specialty macs too now. Jerk mac and cheese, seafood, buffalo chicken, chicken Phillies, Philly cheese steak, pizza mac. Man, you can get all kind of stuff up here, man. They really got good food. They really got good food, man. So, like my Chicago people, you might know about the Chicago dog. You might know about the Italian beef. You know what I'm saying? You got the Detroit Coney, my Detroit folks. You got the Phillies, my Philly people. They know about that. All the way down to a BLT dog, man, an island dog. Hey, man. Then they got the loaded fries. Oh, don't tell me they got the pizza puffs up here too, man. They got the pizza puffs too, man. Y'all got pizza puffs in stock? See there, man, they got the pizza. I'm finna leave, man. They ain't finna have me ordering all this stuff. So y'all see it, man. Make sure y'all hit them up, man. All right, take it easy, my boy. All right. Then we got one more spot over here, man. They serving like some type of coffee type drinks. La Macasita. La Macasita. How do you pronounce your business?
La Machita.
La Machita. Okay.
That's the La Machita.
That's the La Machita?
And then I'm with Bay Wing Based Coffee.
Okay. So y'all related?
That's my uncle.
Okay, cool. Okay. So Bay's Wing that I showed y'all over there, this is their business right here too, man. Y'all see they got them going on. They got these nice drinks going on, man. Y'all come over here and check them out too, man. Yes, sir. For sure. Bay's Vietnamese coffee. Bay's Vietnamese coffee, man. Make sure y'all check them out over here. Yes, sir. We out here, man. They got the setup with umbrella, without umbrella. Got the sofas over there. Some more down there. Plenty of seating, man. Y'all want to come out here and sit down and eat, or you can get it to go, man. Yeah, man. They're getting it in. All right, man. Man, these my tacos I just got from Taco Garçon, man. Good God. Got the sauces on the side. Even got some chips, tortilla chips or whatever you want to call them. Got some grilled onions, and we got a couple limes in there. Hold on, look like the man that put me a pepper in there, man. And we got a pepper. I ain't gonna mess with it though. I like spicy food, but I ain't crazy about it because I hate the way it come out. I love the way it go in, but I hate the way it come out, man. Yes, sir. I'm about to mess these up right now. Right now I am. Yes, Lord. Yes, Lord. We're gonna mess them up right now. Ain't no need in letting them get hot. Letting them, you know what I'm saying? Let them get cold. We finna do these boys in right now, man. So yeah, I see they got a big parking lot over there too. You know what I'm talking about? They got a big parking lot over there, man. So I ain't gonna eat on camera all in y'all face like that, teasing y'all. Y'all can't have none, but we'll be back, man. I might pull out later on, cause boss lady going out with her friend girls. So we probably pull out. It's so hot, bro. I don't know if I'm gonna pull out one of the old schools, or I might jump in Zeus, man. Might jump in Zeus, take him through the car wash and make a couple blocks in him while boss lady out, man. Might go over there and holler at Jazz or something. So y'all keep it locked, man. We'll be back.